never let me find you gone, 'cause that would you bring to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Talk an everlasting words and dedicate them
Kinig siya kay
all
Lolo.
to me.
Oh, voice lesson ka na.
And I will give you the lay, another
Nakanta rin si Mama
dito sa pitong gatang, sa tabi ng unggulan, may mga kasaysayan na kong nalalaman. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-usapan lang.
Kanta ka? Kumakanta siya oh.